In a response to the devastating floods, Kendall County is getting major funding. The county judge calls it a milestone as the state awarded a $1 million grant for outdoor warning sirens. Tonight, I sat down with the county leader to talk about what comes next.
This next one I'm pretty excited about.
A $1 million grant has Kendall County Judge Shane Stolarczyk feeling positive.
So we have $1 million waiting for us to spend, dedicated for sirens, alerts.
Motion carries 4-0.
At Tuesday's meeting, county commissioners voted to accept grant funds from the Texas Water Development Board. The $1 million will be used to buy and install outdoor warning sirens. This all stems from the devastating flooding the morning of July 4th. No one from the county is believed to have died as a result, but major damage was reported. Kendall County has warning sirens, but only in comfort.
Those sirens were very instrumental in our flood response, but this grant's going to allow us to improve those sirens, but also add sirens to some of our other flood-prone areas throughout the county.
The county judge told me where he would like to see these sirens go up.
At least from Comfort all the way to our other border near Candalia, through the whole stretch of the Guadalupe River in Kendall County.
He admits $1 million is a lot of money, but doesn't know how far it will go.
But I'm going to try to stretch it as far as I can.
The county leader also wants to make sure these sirens can communicate with technology in nearby counties like in Kerr. He's hoping to find that solution.
Is to find a tributary-wide or river-wide solution. And to me, that means having multiple counties be on similar equipment so it all talks to one another and we can get similar information from our neighboring partners.
So I asked the county judge about when the sirens will go up. He said right now there is no timeline. He says he wants to make sure that they get it right and no rush to install something. Now the next step is looking at vendors and getting first responders at the table to see exactly what is needed.